nice morning. Sun is shining. Not a cloud in the sky. Hiccup, wake up.
What?
It's 10:01.
Stop shaking my head like that.
It's
I shouldn't look
10:01.
at this. Just give me my note in the book. I want to sleep in for once in my life. Without a distracted
I thought that was last week. I let you sleep the whole day last week. Come on!
Funny story. Stop grabbing. Why is there one light on?
Did they cover all our instruments with plastic?
Okay, this might get... Are you sure this is a good idea? Oh, the latest invention. I don't know. Step right here.
What is it? Oh. I wouldn't press it. Said don't press it. So what? Nothing seems to be happening. Ow! 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 Hiccup, where are you?
I'm up here. Can you see me? I'm really high up. You might not be able to see me here. I can't see you.
I can't see you.
Violet, I'm really hurting myself here. Do you have any suggestions of how to get down? I'm kind of really like 100 feet up in this really tall tree.
I don't even know where you are.
I'm really kind of like 100 feet up in the branch beside those bobble things.
Stop messing around.
You told me to come down here, so
All right.
I came down here.
All right, you need to go. Come on.
Wait for me! No, I really think that was the safest area. Do you think we should be there? Like, I think we're safe in there. I'm really, that's really
Be quiet.
I think I'll be safe up here, right? Ow.
Stop!
What? Ah! I can't! What?
There you go.
This arm is probably... Wait, Violet? Oh, why?
Here I am.
Okay, yeah, okay, you're here, yeah. Can you leave it off?
Sure. Whoa, it's kind of uncomfortable. Anyway,
I forgot I need to go to the hospital.
get up.
I can't.
It's bedtime.